Now, I completely borked this repair job. It's not really a repair job. So the lens on this knockoff x300 was broken, and I figured I could cut some polycarbonate and put it in here. Obviously, I marred the crap out of this with these. Not great. I mean, ideally, you would want to do this with something softer, like maybe that. But in any case, right, because I can't find it anywhere, here's how you actually unscrew these, right? So this screws onto this side, and this screws onto this side. And as you might be able to see, right, you can see that this is a clockwise screw, and this is also a clockwise screw. So now that I have this, I can get the dimensions of the inside, right, of this lip here, and then cut some acrylic to put in there. And it'll be functional, but this thing is in bad shape. It'll work, but it won't look pretty. I mean, it already doesn't look pretty, but you know, you get what I'm saying here. But yeah, now I can also like take care of like these little glass pieces, and then put this back in. One more thing, to actually make this come apart, you do need this. This is probably impossible to take apart without heating it up.